promotion number 2. Now, if I'm adequately prepared and I know exactly what to do to promote, the job becomes a lot easier for me to get purchase order, because the whole idea, the reason why I'm promoting is to be able to get purchase order. Preparation. With preparation, I do expert assessment. I identify the area I'm lagging behind. I identify the area I need to work upon. Immediately I fix that, I know exactly what to do to go and promote. Purchase order is a natural occurrence when I know exactly what to do. When I get the purchase order, I can begin procurement or production. When I finish the procurement and production, then packaging and labeling can be done. Then pre-export documentation. Pre-export documentation. Then port clearance. After the port clearance, post-export documentation is done. After the post-export documentation, there is presentation of document to the buyers abroad. After presentation of document, the buyers abroad will do post-import requirement. Now, there will be post-import documentation or post-clearance documentation. Most of the time, buyers will see the goods, review it, be sure they are in order with the quality of the goods before they pay. You see this process on the screen is the summary of the export process. The next slide I'll be going to will be talking about preparation. Then I'll talk about promotion, purchase order, procurement, packaging and labeling, pre-export documentation, port clearance and shipment, post-export documentation, presentation of document, post-import document, and payment is the summary of the export process. But, ladies and gentlemen, the most important of all of them is the preparation. Because from promotion to payment is all implementation. The most important of all of them is preparation, because that is when you get ready. And that is where many people get it wrong. That is where a lot of people miss it. A number of things they should have sorted out at the point of preparation, they've missed it out. And because they missed out a number of things they should have done at the point of preparation, what then happens at the end of the day is that they are unable to do promotion right. They find it difficult to get purchase order. Even when they get purchase order, sometimes they ship and the product have quality issues and they don't know how to resolve it. They don't know how to resolve it because if they have done preparation right, even if there are issues, I've done a shipment before and there was an issue at the destination and I was able to sort it out because I have done preparation right. At the level of preparation, I've already sorted out the issue of overseas sales representative. So when there are issues at destination, I'm not caught unawares. There's someone right there on ground to fix it for me. Why? Because at the point of preparation, I know that I need a representative abroad, and I've sorted it out. Procurement and production. After procurement and production, then implementation of packaging and labeling. Documentation. You need to have a limited liability company. You need an export certificate. Documentation. So if you look at all these processes, I will go back to it again. I did a research on this and I found out that majority of exporters in Nigeria do not pass the readiness assessment test. And I will show you those details shortly. And that's why we have to work on the readiness assessment framework, building on what has been done. Developing a framework for readiness assessment so that know that you are adequately prepared, and then you can ensure you have a successful export business venture.